Hi everybody, I'm going to just show you a quick video on how to export your SPSS files for uploading along with your activities. So here I am in SPSS, and this is a data file that we used way back in chapter 1, that general social sciences survey questionnaire. Anyway, let's just suppose I'm running an analysis and I'm going to make up an analysis. We'll do a paired samples t-test. I was playing with it before. So I'm going to drag my two variables to where they belong, hit OK, and now I get my output. So this file, if I just save it to my desktop, it's going to save it in SPSS format, and Canvas doesn't know how to open that. So I would have to download the file, open it in SPSS just to see if you were able to do the assignment, which is a bit of a time-consuming pain. So instead, we're going to select from the File menu, Export. And when I select Export, the defaults are just fine. It's going to default to exporting everything that's on that page. And the default format is Microsoft Word or rich text, right? A .doc. If you pull that menu down, you can see all the different formats that you can export it in. PDF is another common one that people use, but Microsoft Word is just fine. Canvas can handle it beautifully. The other thing to pay attention to is just where it starts to send the information. I usually just click Browse and pick my desktop because it's nice and convenient. When I do that, you have to type the name in. So I'm going to call it Rose SPSS Output. Click Save. And now it's listed as going to my desktop. And there's the proper name. And now I click OK. And within a second, we see that SPSS file, the output file on my desktop, which I can then, if I want to, I can double click it and open it up, and you can see there's the results of the analysis. I can edit it. I can type in things if I want to. I don't need to edit this particular one, so close it up. Anyway, this file now you can attach to your activity submission while you are submitting your activity files. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. This is super easy to do. Just export it as a Word document and attach it to your activities.